Hello and welcome to Q's Corner. Sorry, it's been a little while. I have been crazy, crazy, crazy busy, but it's okay because we're going to start back with some things. So today we're going to do a um, Pringles can template for Father's Day. So first thing I'm going to do is got my square, so we are good to go on that. I'm going to use little Pringles man. And I'm kind of looking at a Pringles can while I'm doing this. So I'm going to just go ahead and put this on here. I will worry about um, the actual color and all that later. I'm going to go ahead and get this put on here and just kind of tweak it and mess with it a little bit. So, and then I want to see if I can find a nutrition fact for Pringles. So, see Pringles label. Let's see Pringles. Um, fact. So let's see if I can find one. 16 chips. Let me see what it's saying about one can. Serving size is one can. So, let's see. It's all green. It says Pringles. Original Pringles. Hey, we're gonna use this for now. Save images. Oh, this one ain't gonna work because it say, let me see. I don't think this one gonna work. I'm gonna have to look up another one. We're just gonna use this just for now. I'm just playing around with some stuff. But anywho's, go ahead and get that picture. Let me see if this one will pull in. It did. Oh my goodness. Alright, so on the Pringles can is actually stretched out, really. So, but I don't think it's stretched out like that much. So, I think I'll do it like this. Yeah, it is stretched out a good bit around the can. Let me see. Let me find where half of this is. That's like half the can. So that's about the other half. So let's say about across half the can. Spread this out. And then on the other, because on the other side, that's the back. So that'll be back. And then this the front. This is the front actually. So it's over there. And you don't have to put this if you don't want to. This is my little guide. Totally up to you. I mean, this your label, so you can kind of tweak it how you want to. If you want to put the bar over there, more than welcome to. Um, I'm going to say, no, I'm going to actually use, I'm cheating. Because I had, let me see, where did I download that? Watch I put that in here. No, I didn't. Where I put that at? It might be in download. I got something offline. Said Father's Day or something like that. Alright. Happy Father's Day. It's covered up. I can make my nutrition label thin. That'll work. Those skinny Pringles, man. And let's put some stuff on here. Let's change the color. Yeah, why would I put this on here? It has no Italian in barbecue. Let's see what else we can find. Mm, Alright, you don't even have to do that. We can go into a color. So let's say the yellow. And let's write what we want to say. Insert and blue is obviously blue and yellow. Happy Father's Day, Dad. Happy Father's Day, Dad. Oof, that looks crazy. Oh, there you go. Something nice. And like I want sprout it out something. It ain't gotta be nothing too fancy. No, y'all got the guys. They ain't like us women. They don't be wanting all the fancy stuff. I can leave that right there. Go ahead and make my label back big. Because the original Pringles can is just simple anyways. And bam, that's all you have to do. Or see, you can do all kind of stuff with these. I think this is actually longer. Okay. Shoot, let's keep it blue. Okay. Oh, matter of fact, let me go back to the little background I had. Yeah, picture. It should be here. Sorry, use it. So I can actually use it, and you don't even have to do no more. You just want to. Put the Pringles sign on it. You don't have to put the Franco sign on it. Totally your choice. If you want to use it or not, you could just have that. Bam. Or if you want to put a label on it still, bring it forward. And good to put the label at the bottom. In the corner. Okay. Keep it on the screen, right? Alright. So, if you want to do something like that, spread it out a little bit more. Can. Simple, sweet, straight to the point. Not much work at all. So, your choice, definitely, of what you want to do. But just the idea. So, I will print these up and see how they look. Alright, well, thank you very much. Y'all have a good night. And be on the lookout for more Father's Day things. Thank you for watching Q's Corner. Peace.